In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a database using Microsoft Access. So I'm going to open blank database here. And here we have our table. What we're going to do, we're going to create the fields for the database table. So we're going to come here. I'm going to choose Design View, or you can just click this here and it will come up. Now, the first thing it's going to do is going to prompt you to save the table. So I'm going to save this as flowers underscore table. I'm going to remove the one. I'm going to click OK. All right, so here we're in the design view, right? So to go back, I'll press this icon that resembles a table, or if you drop down here, it says data sheet view. We click on it, and this is how you will come back to the table. So if we click here, we can click here to go to the design view. All right, I'm going to keep the first field name as ID, and let us say ID number. I need an underscore between the ID and then word number. And the description, we're going to give it a description. So we're going to say this is an unique number that is assigned to each record when we're in the table, okay? All right, the next thing we're gonna do now is write name underscore of underscore plant, or is it flower? All right, so the data type here will be short text, and these are the different data types that you can assign, okay? And here we're gonna give it a description. So the name of the plant or flower, okay? Here now, I'm gonna say type underscore of underscore plant. All right, this would be short text, right? And here now, in this description, we're going to give it a description which is describing what I mean by type of plant. So this states whether the plant can be grown in different environments, right? And if you want to clarify, we can put a can explain and say indoor plant, comma, outdoor plant, or a plant that can be grown in the desert. All right, so that's what we mean by type of plant. All right, not necessarily the biology description of the plant. All right. All right, so we'll come here now and we can see, for example, cost if we are selling it. And this now we're going to change the data type to currency. And in the description, we're going to say this is the selling price for each plant, right? Good. All right, so if you come up here now and we click on this icon, it will give us a table, right? So the correct name for it is a data sheet view. We can either click it there or click it here, right? Now we need to save the table, so we say yes, and here is our table or flowers table, right? So I'm gonna type in here now the type of plant. Let's say green green petal. That's the name of our plant. Let's say green flower. That's the name of our plant. All right. Type of plant. We're gonna say it's a indoor plant. It can be grown indoor easily, right? The cost, you're gonna put $50. All right. Now, suppose you want to include the image for the plant, right? Now, what you'd have to do is go back to the design view. We click on it, right? And here now, we're going to include a picture for the plant, right? Now, the word picture might be a reserved word in Microsoft Access, right? So what we have to do is put a underscore after the word picture if you want to include, or you would put the picture of plant like this, right? But I'm gonna put an underscore to space it, right? So picture might be a reserved word in Access, so we have to make sure that we don't use that word for the description of our field name. So here now, when you go data type, you drop down here now, and what you'd have to choose to store the picture is OLE data type. The OLE stands for Object, Linking, and Embedding Object, right? So we click on it, and in our description, we're gonna say this is a picture for the plant. All right. So what we do now, we're going to come back here. We can click on this icon there. So we need to save first, save. And here now we're able to insert our picture, right? So the picture can be from that was made in a graphics program such as Paint, or it could be an Excel made in an Excel spreadsheet, or in Word, or it could be a binary data. All right. So when we click on this right here, when we right click, so we click on the box right here, right click, and we go insert object down here, right down here. And here now, we can actually choose the type of picture that we want to insert, right? So we scroll through and we look to see which one of them it is. All right, so let us choose that says AutoCAD drawing or paintbrush picture, right? Because I made the picture that I'm gonna insert, I made it in I think it was paint, I don't remember, but paintbrush picture. We're gonna click OK. So what we're doing, we're telling Access what is the format that we're gonna import the insert the picture. What format is it, right? So we click on this here, click OK. All right. So let us, we're now in Paint. So let us open or from a file. So we come down here to File. We go to Import to Canvas. We come here from a file. And here now I'm going to go to, I saved the picture earlier in Pictures. Then I go to Save. Here it is, CAD Mr. U. And this is the name of the file. It's Final YouTube Photo Fix. So we click on it. Click OK. And here is our Cadet Mr. Hugh document image, right? This is our photo. So save the image. Okay. All right. So here is our picture now saved in Access as an OLE object, right? So there is our picture being inserted in there. So this brings us to the end of today's video. Please take care until then. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.